Can you able to see this video? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me start and just a brief preview of this one, the random process and the autocorrelation and the problems on the autocorrelation. Okay, today we will discuss that thing. And what is a random process? Here, example, you can take a random process if you don't say the mathematical statement. Random process is an like an if you're tossing a coin, it is also a random process because the outcome cannot be determined. But in a signal processing, coming to the communication, that is a bits transmitted over the channel. That is analog signal that is converted into digital signal. Then it is transmitted over the channel. And at the receiver, we don't know whether we are going to receive the 1 or 0 because of the noise, because noise is added and the 1 may change to 0 and the 0 may change to 1. Okay, so here that is, hence that is a random process. And here that is some function, random variable is x, and the random process is, it is a function of some variables, let's say time. And you know that that is pdf also we are also going to define for the random process it, and it is always positive. You know that it is always positive. And your expectation, you know, here also for that random process we are going to see the what is the mean and what is the variance. And again, what do you mean by that? Is a pdf means all the possible observation. If I say that is the students, the marks scored by the student follow in Gaussian curve. Gaussian curve, you know, that is a bell curve. So bell curve means here it is always true for every class, because there will be a peak and there may be one or some students getting the peak percentage, and others they will follow at the either side of the curve. That is similarly, that means we have the some passing percentage to a higher percentage value. It is true for every class. So that is why usually we will follow that this will follow the some Gaussian curve, or that is depending on the that process they will study and they are going to define the pdf curves. And here we are going to see the one more word, that is stationary. Yes, can anybody can explain what is stationary meaning? Yes, anybody? What do you mean by stationary? You can tell in terms of the equation or in the physical meaning. What do you mean by stationary? Anybody? Nishant Kumar Pandey.
Ma'am, something which is not moving
Yeah,
or is
something that is
fixed.
not moving. That means it looks standstill. So mathematically, if you define, that is x of t is equal to x of t plus tau. Okay, so that is what the meaning. So that you are going to see that that is the same it is appearing. Okay, we are dealing with the that is stationary. In stationary means here stationary random process, or it is also called as stochastic random process. So that means their characteristics, their statistical characteristics will not change. Okay, that is the mean and the variance. Okay, so that is the meaning of stationary. And we have that is a order 1, that is only we will define for the x of t1 plus ts is equal to x of t1. Order 2 means here x of t1 plus t1 plus ts and t2 plus ts. Two times we will, two time duration we will define. And later we will define for the joint stationary of order 2, that is joint stationary of order 2 also we are defining for the joint means that is two random process we are going. Here XOR and Y in terms of communication or in terms of digital signal processing, two signals, let's say X and Y. And we are dealing with the wide sense stationary and it is most practically it is used. What is means of wide sense stationary means here mean is constant. Let's say mu X, but it is constant. And the expectation of X of T1 and X of T2 is equal to expectation of X of T into X of T plus tau. That means here that is correlation. It is called as the correlation and it depends on the time difference tau. Here what you mean by in general, what do you mean by this X correlation? Just you see this is X of T and X of T plus tau. So I am observing the sample at time T is equal to 5. Then I will calculate that is the previous value. Okay. So that is the correlation. That is called as the correlation. Yes. And the here correlation and the difference is so only depends on the tau. Okay. So then it is called as a wide sense stationary. In the exam, they will ask you, give the one equation and they're asking you to show that it is a wide sense stationary. Then what you have to do is you have to calculate E of xt. Then you have to show that that is a constant and you have to do this X of T1 plus X of T plus 2. It depends on the only the time difference tau that you have to show through the integration. Here all the problems will only the easy integration. Only thing is you have to understand. And that autocorrelation function, it is denoted as Rx of tau. So it is expectation of X of T into X of T plus tau. Okay. Remember. Okay. Can you tell me where it will be used? What are the application of correlation, autocorrelation? Can anybody can tell where it can be used? So here, if I know the in a time series in a time domain, if I know the X of 0 is equal to some value, X of 1 value and X of 2, and by chance by copying or something by X of 3 I am not able to find it, and X of 4 and X of 5 all those values, only X of 3 it is missing. So then how will you fill that value X of 3? You can't randomly fill it with a value. Then you have to go for the autocorrelation function. That means you will take the previous value and then that value and the of the relation of the useful in determining the data. So it is very useful in the communication. Okay. So it is yes. Okay. And it is in general, its difference is zero. The square in general, the AB equation is where till study minus square in the years. So that is that is yes, can you able to see now? Hello? Hello? Can you able to see? Can you able to see this PDF or shall I share it once again? Hello? 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 Yes, okay. I will reshare it. Which can you able to see now? Hello? Okay, okay, okay. Yes, now can you able to see? Okay, so now okay, that is Rx of 0 sigma x square plus mu x square. And suppose now we will see that what is Rx of minus tau. Okay, in the signals and system, we have seen that odd signal and the even signal. So can you define any one odd signal? How it is defined? Write in a chat x of t is equal to, if it is an odd signal, and if yes, and if it is an even signal, how it is defined? Anybody can tell, or you write it in chat box. Hello. Yes, Sanket Gopal. Hello. Hello, Sanket. Soundarya. Yes, just one. Can you define odd and even signal? Just one. Hello. Shubham Kumar. Are you there? Okay. So now that is, now we will see whether autocorrelation function is an odd or even signal. So you know that that is Rx of tau is equal to E of xt and expectation of xt into x of t plus tau. Suppose we replace tau by minus tau. So in this, Rx of minus tau is equal to x of t and x of t minus tau. Since the absolute time does not affect the autocorrelation function, we can introduce the change of variable. So that is t dash. Now I will replace t minus tau plus is equal to t dash. So then this t will be t plus tau dash. Then Rx of minus tau will be expectation of x of t dash plus tau into x of t dash. So then this is same as x of expectation of x of t dash into x of expectation of x of t dash plus tau. That is Rx of minus tau is equal to Rx of tau. So then this expression you are getting. So looking at this expression, you tell me whether it is a odd function or even function. Let's put it in chat box whether it is an odd function or even function. Yes. Where Rx of minus tau is equal to Rx of tau. Tell me whether it is odd function or even function.
Even function.
Even function.
It's even function. So it is even function. This equation shows that autocorrelation function is even function. You can expect this in an quiz or you can expect show that autocorrelation function is an even function. Then you take this definition, replace tau with a minus tau, then you change to another variable and show this. Okay, so now we will see the problems on the autocorrelation. A random process is described by y of t is equal to a cos omega ct plus theta. Here a and w are constant, but theta is random variable distributed uniformly between plus or minus pi. The random process in the above equation might be used to represent carrier in an AM or FM modulation process. AM is amplitude modulation, FM frequency modulation. E is y of t is white sense stationary. If not, then y. If so, then what are the mean and autocorrelation function for the random process? Then now we have to tell that whether it is a white sense stationary or not. So then what you have to do? Yes, how will you prove that whether it is a white sense? What you need to find out? What you need to show, or what you need to find out? In the exam, they will give like this, and you need to tell. Yes. What you need to do? Yes. Yes, what you need to find out the mean, and you have to show that whether, okay, now it is uniformly distributed. What is the PDF for the uniformly distributed random variable? Can anybody can tell? Uniformly distributed. Yes, anybody can tell? It is, if PDF of uniformly distributed random variable, it is given by 1 divided by b minus a. That is you have studied in the first chapter. Now the same equation you are going to use. Can you able to see the new PDF? F of theta is Surya. Can you able to see the new PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now that is f of theta. I'm going to define the PDF for this. It is, since it is uniformly defined, it is 1 divided by b minus a. Uniformly distributed between minus pi and pi. So you are going to get it as 1 divided by 2 pi and theta between minus pi and the pi. Now we have to find the mean of the random variable. Mean is nothing but the mu y e of yt is equal to expectation of yt. It is y to f of theta of theta. Since it's a random process, we are defining that. And this y, you replace what is the expression? A cos omega ct theta, f of theta is 1 divided by 2 pi d theta, and it is minus pi to pi, and all it is an integration process. Yes, till now we have understood. Yes, okay, so now we have to do the integration. You already well know the integration, and when you do the integration, you are going to get it as 0, and the mu y is equal to 0. And here you please see that cos of minus pi is equal to what? Cos pi. So then this term also becomes 0. Okay. Similarly, now the autocorrelation function. So they are asking you to find out what is the autocorrelation function. Autocorrelation function is given by y of t into y of t plus tau. It is expectation of your y is a cos omega ct plus theta. T plus tau is you have to replace t with the t plus tau and separate out this expectation. And next is you have to cos, this one is there, no, so it is a and b, use cos a into cos b, then you simplify. After simplification you are going to get it as 0. Next is here two term sums are there. So now this term, now can you do the integration of this one? Minus pi cos of omega c theta. Yes, do the differentiation, do the integration and you tell me the value. And here theta is only the random variable. Omega c and this tau are constants. Yes, do the integration. This is very small. Yes, and write the answer. Yes, Vinay Prasad. Vinay Prasad. Do the integration and you tell me the value. Rohit Sahu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you do the integration of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you tell me the value.
And 2 times of cos omega j.
Final value, tell me.
Two by cos omega c z.
So here theta is only the this one. So it is 2 pi cos omega c tau. Only theta is the this one variable. So it is pi and 2 pi cos omega c tau. So now autocorrelation function Ry of t. So this is this complete. Now we have calculated this. This term is 0. So now put the value in this. You are going to get it as this. Okay, so now what is the interpretation of this? The autocorrelation function is independent of absolute time. You are, when you observe this equation, you don't have any term related to t, you have only the time difference tau. So that indicates that it is an wide stationary process. Okay. Now that is ensemble variance. Variance is you have to put the tau is equal to 0. You put this equation tau cos 0 is 1. So you are going to get it as a square divided by 2. Okay. So now similar to other type of the same type of example. Here and omega c are constant, but theta is random variable distributed uniformly between plus or minus 5. Then they are asking whether it is wide sense stationary. If not, why? If so, you have to calculate the mean and autocorrelation function for the random process. Now we'll ask you the question. Anybody? What is uniformly distributed random variable. PDF. Now you write the PDF f of t, right?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay. Now can you hear properly? Hello. Hello.
No, ma'am.
Now can you hear properly?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, now at least. Hello. Hello. Okay. So now can you hear properly? No, still it is a problem. Okay, at least you see the problem. What you into hubs this one. Okay. The PDF, so it is 1 divided by 2 pi. Next is you have to calculate mean of random variable. Okay, write the expression for the mean. Expression for the mean is e of x of t, that is x into f of theta integration minus infinity into this one. Okay, now do the integration of this. It's very easy. Do this. You tell me the value. X is this one. Hello? I am asking you to, all of you, to do the integration of the expression. Well, can you able to hear? Hello? Jaswant?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I have given asking you to do the integration. And write your answer in chat. Is it so long? Okay. So then what is the answer you are going to do? Okay, you can see later. So now this is, you are going to get the answer 0. Mu x, it is 0. Then next is what you have to find. You have to find the autocorrelation function. Yes, Vishesh? Vishesh? Hello? Hello? Vishesh? Vinita? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Now can you tell me how to find out the autocorrelation function? What is the expression?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Oh, autocorrelation function. Okay. Now, autocorrelation function given by x of t into x of t plus tau. You replace the x of t expression they have given, then x of t plus tau. You have to replace t with tau plus tau, t plus tau, and then this is simplification, and you do the all the integration, then you will get the this value rx of tau. Next, what is the, so this shows that it is, by looking at this, can you tell whether it is a white stationary or not? Vishesh, now look at this expression, you tell me whether it is white stationary or not. Vishesh, Vinata, just one. Anybody can tell whether it is a white stationary or not.
Not stationary, ma'am.
Why white station? Not stationary.
It is a
What
dependent
just one?
function, ma'am. It is a dependent function.
No, dependent function. Dependence on what? T or tau?
Tau, ma'am.
Tau. Then now it depends on only tau. Then you tell me whether it is white stationary or not. Yes or no?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, I'll try. Ask the question in chat. Yes, please see in the chat. I want answer yes or no. No. White stationary. Because depends only on the tau, time difference tau. Tau, not on the absolute time t. Yes, Vinita. Jaswant.
Ma'am.
Vishesh.
Ma'am, I have sent my answer through chat, ma'am.
Okay, is it yes, ma'am? Because it is dependent only tau. Okay, okay. So that is the meaning of the this. Okay, so now that is a square by t, and we have to see the some observation and the generalization of this problem. We have the, so here we have the that observation, they have done the explanation written for the exam. This is for only your understanding. A random processing, this function is called deterministic random process. Can you tell me why it is deterministic? Here it is deterministic random process. Why? Can anybody can answer? Yes. Rohit Vijapur. Rohit. Why it is called as a Rohit? Why it is called as an this one deterministic random process? Because we know the PDF, it is all the time it is varies between plus or minus 5. We know the PDF. Hence it is a deterministic random process. Okay. Next point is autocorrelation in the White's and stationary application loses the phase information. Because when you see this expression, then we don't have any information about the theta. So that means when we do the autocorrelation, we will lose this phase information. Second one. So third is, if x of t is a periodic with period t, then White's and stationary case autocorrelation is also periodic with the period t. So then that is determined. This is shown with the expression rx of plus tau is equal to rx of tau. So it is periodic. If x of t is periodic, then autocorrelation function is also a periodic. And then, so these are the 3 observations relating to autocorrelation. Next is, they're asking you to show that this is rx of tau, absolute value of rx of tau is less than or equal to rx of 0. So that means they want to show that it is a bounded function. That is value of rx of 0, it is a bounded function. Okay, so then in order to do this, consider this relation. And then you have to do separate out this is x of t plus or minus x of t plus tau whole square 0. Consider this equation. Then expand this using a plus b whole square. Then separate expectations. This it is rx of t, and then it is rx of tau, and it is rx of this is correlation functions. Then after this one, you are going to get this equation. Next is, if x of t is a random process with a non-zero mean, then we can define an autocovariance from the with autocovariance function, which can be written as cx of tau. If it is a non-zero mean, if you have some value of mean, then we can define autocovariance functions. So that is nothing but covariance cx of tau. It is, you know, that is variance is x of t minus mu x into x of t plus tau into minus mu x. So this is nothing but the rx of tau minus of mu x square. Okay, this you have to remember for your formula. Okay, so now just I want to show a video where you can understand the random variable. So let me. Yes, till now you understood what is autocorrelation, and can you able to see this video? Hello?
No audio, ma'am.
Huh?
No
No
audio.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Audio. So then how I can do this? Disturbance, no? Hello? Just once, is it audible now?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, share the link in group, ma'am. We will see it.
Okay. Okay, just I forward that video. Just it is 9 minutes video. Just you can see and understood what is the random variable. In this case, explain nicely. You cannot understood that is random variable. You can just now only you listen before so that please have sent this link to your WhatsApp group. Just you want this and you have to tell me at the end of this 5 minutes. I will ask the question.